Hello guys and welcome back to CryptoCarlosads channel. In today's video I found for you a very cool project. If you want to support my channel, please like and comment my video.
There are many cryptocurrency exchanges, but only a few of them are worthy of attention. I would like to talk about one of these exchanges in today's video. It's a DIFX exchange that offers its users access to a huge number of digital assets. As a whole trading ecosystem, DIFX acts as a bridge between ordinary users and a wide range of digital assets. The platform offers an impressive number of trading options, such as stocks, indices, forex, cryptocurrencies, and more. It is one of the first platforms to offer trading opportunities that span multiple assets, not just cryptocurrencies. Thus, the DIFX trader is not limited to buying only one asset class and can effectively diversify their portfolio. The exchange was created after a careful study by the development team of the problems that traders face. The study of existing platforms and the problems they faced prompted the creation of DIFX. It is a fully insured digital asset exchange that is capable of serving a large customer base. Thanks to DIFX's intuitive user interface, which is available both on the website and in the mobile app, customers can buy and withdraw various types of fiat and digital assets with just a few clicks. In addition, each instrument on the exchange is equipped with a simple navigation system that allows users to easily switch between assets. But in addition to the standard functionality of the exchange, such as staking, DIFX also introduces several unique features. A sign of an excellent trading platform is the presence of an insurance system and other strategies for hedging risks. Here, DIFX users get access to a fully insured crypto wallet that ensures their funds are always protected from hacks and fraud. DIFX has entered into an insurance contract with leading platforms, so every asset stored in the user's wallets is fully insured. If suddenly the platform is hacked, users can be sure that their assets will be returned, but the probability of hacking tends to zero. In order to enable clients to enjoy the platform's trading functions without worrying a hacker, the architecture is equipped with a modern data encryption function. Developers also use a system of cold storage of assets, which disconnects a large percentage of crypto assets from the internet, thereby creating a barrier between them and potential hackers. The system regularly undergoes security audits, which eliminate the possibility of unfair practices on the part of DIFX team, such as price manipulation. In addition, DIFX stands out with the new nomination program, which allows users to nominate their relatives and friends as beneficiaries through a blockchain-based assets transfer system. In simple terms, users can leave a bequest and you can nominate up to 5 family members in different percentages who will receive funds from your DIFX wallet, thereby ensuring the safety of all your cryptocurrency savings from future generations. This unique opportunity helped DIFX achieve its core mission of mass adoption of blockchain and a new financial order in which people can create multi-asset investment portfolios and seamlessly trade, invest and own a variety of assets, not just cryptocurrencies. To set up the nomination function, you need to open the nomination tab, then click Add Nomination, fill in the first name, last name, who this person is to you, mom, dad, sister, brother, and enter the email of this person. Then we allocate the desired percentages of funds from your wallet among the selected candidates. Note that they will not be informed of the percentage you have allocated to them. Once the user has submitted a nomination request, selected candidates will need to log into their existing account or create a new account and complete the KYC requirements to accept or reject the request. After the KYC is completed, the candidate will become the official beneficiary of the crypto funds of the DIFX user. I would also like to say a few words about the commissions of the exchange. Compared to similar trading platforms, the fees charged by DIFX are relatively low. For takers and makers, it is 0.15%. To reduce this commission, you can use the code of their own currency on DIFX. For example, for storing 10,000 tokens, the commission will be already 0.14%, and for the storage of 10 million only 0.05%. Yes, this is considerable amount of interest to large traders who want to save on trading, and at the moment tokens are traded on the exchange with a price of about 30 cents. I would like to talk more about the referral program, in which the user has the opportunity to invite his acquaintances and friends and receive 25% of the paid commission. This is a nice plus, especially for those who have a lot of crypto traders friends. The program is based on a bonus structure, allowing FIX to earn points for every trading action. These are tasks where we get 10 points for registration to pass verification in KYC within 2 days from the moment of registration on the platform. This is 20 points. Deposit coin tokens worth more than $1,000 within 7 days. Then for this action we will receive 50 points, and in order to receive 420 points, it is necessary to make a monthly volume of transactions for more than 400 transaction dollars, and these points are converted into dollars. That is, 1 point is equal to $1, and these funds can be used to repay trading fees. Besides, in addition to spot trading on the exchange, it is planned to open futures trading. In conclusion, I would like to say that DIFX meets all the requirements that users place on the exchange. It provides an excellent selection of assets and is appropriately licensed by the regulatory authorities. The security of the platform has also been repeatedly proven. DIFX creates the first fully insured trading platform that combines tools for both individuals and brokers. Company DIFX is simple, efficient and secure payment solutions that provide opportunities for trading financial products. It is expected that in the coming years the platform will grow into a large empire and lead its own technological revolution.
Okay, it's all for now, guys. I hope this video be helpful for you and you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye!